Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be putting together a cyclone dust separator. I believe I picked this up on Amazon for anyways, it was below 40 bucks, and I'm going to be strapping it to this ammo box. I know most people will use a 5-gallon pail. I just think that for the footprint of my shop, something a little bit smaller and, you know, rectangular would be a better fit for me. And if I find later on down the road that that this is too small, you know, it is metal, right? So I could probably just cut about an inch all the way around and just add more material to it. Now the reason why I like this is because this is an airtight box. There's a nice rubber seal that goes all the way around here, and we're not going to lose any suction anywhere here. So, and also, it's going to be mounted right here. So I can just take this off, slide it over, and go dump my dust. So, a little bit different, but I think this will work well. So, yeah, let's get into it. This is probably not going to work well, but I don't have much else of an option here, so we'll see if this will drill. I'm not sure this is made for metal. In conclusion, I've used this maybe about for 2.5 hours as a pre-filter for my sandblasting cabinet. So the vacuum line went directly into the cabinet and right into this thing, and then came out into the vacuum. I didn't lose suction the entire time, and I do believe that it's broken glass, so it would be like a silica that I'm using as an abrasive. And I'll tell you, anything that's masonry, anything that's a silica, will immediately clog up your filter. And as I said before, 2.5, 3 hours of sandblasting, and I still had plenty of suction. So I would say that this is a success. So we'll open this up and you can check it out. Put that off to the side. Yeah. I did do a little bit of vacuuming with wood dust there, some of my woodworking equipment, but yeah, that's a very fine powder, and I'm sure that a good amount of it did go in the shop vac, but no loss of suction. So that's a success. If you guys got any better ideas, I'd like to hear them down below there. And, you know, yeah, that's about it. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching.